dear children, once again welcome back to our EVS class. Children, we are in the lesson air. So we have completed half of the lesson, children, and the remaining lesson we can complete in this class. So open your term 4 books, page number 43, children. So today we are learning the topic properties of air. So children, do you know what is inside the balloon or a football or a tire? What is there inside it, children? Can you tell me? Yes, air. Air is there inside the balloon or football or tire, any ball. Okay. So, do you know the shape of a air? No, we don't know because we can't see air. Only we can feel the air. So, we don't know the shape. So, air has no shape. It can take the shape of a round ball, a long balloon or a square pillow. Yes, when we blow into a balloon, it comes into that shape. So, have you tried blowing air into a balloon, children? Anybody tried blowing balloons? Yes, if not, once you try it, children. And the next point is dirty air. Children, there is a fresh air and dirty air. In the last class, we have learned cool breeze, right? The breeze is very fresh air. In the morning time, when we stand in the balcony, nice breeze will come. That is a fresh air. And what is dirty air? Do you know, children? Yes. Sometimes the air gets dirty with a lot of smoke from buses and cars mixed with it. While we are going on a traffic, we can see so much of pollution. Why? Because of this dirty air. Lot of smoke comes from the buses and cars, autos. This is called a pollution. Smoke from factories also makes the dirty air. Yes, from factories also smoke will come. No, that is also dirty air. Air also gets dirty when we burn garbage or leaves of trees. Yes, when we burn the garbage or dried leaves, the dirty smoke will come. Isn't it? If we smell that smoke, no, children, it is very bad to our health. So, we should not breathe that smoke. Dirty air is called polluted air. Yes, this dirty air is called polluted air. Polluted air is harmful for us. This polluted air is very harmful for us. We may fall ill when we breathe in the polluted air. Yes, if we breathe this polluted air, we may fall sick. So, we should not breathe this polluted air. Okay. So, we have completed the lesson, children. Once we can recall the points. See, here is there. Let's recall. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. Yes, air is all around us, but we cannot see it. Only we can feel it. We can feel air. Moving air is called wind. What is moving air, children? Moving air is called wind. When the air moves gently, it is called breeze. When the air moves very smoothly, gently, it is called breeze. But when this air only moves very strongly, it is called a storm. When the air moves strongly, it is called storm. Dirty air is called polluted air. Yes, this dirty air is called polluted air. We should not breathe this dirty air. Polluted air is very harmful for us. Yes, polluted air is very harmful for us. So, we should not breathe this dirty air. And here is it's amazing fact, children. Very hot winds that blow in summer is called loo. Yes, in summer it is very hot. The hot winds that blow in summer is called loo. L-O-O, loo. Okay. So, till here we have completed our lesson, children. So, you have to go through the full lesson. So, today also I will give you some underlined words. Those words also you write in your HW book 3 times. Okay, children, that's all for today. Thank you. So, children, now you have to underline the words. See, properties of air. Do you know what is inside a football, balloon and a tire? Air. Air has no shape. It can take the shape of a round ball, a long balloon or a square pillow. Have you tried blowing air into a balloon? Try and find out. Dirty air. Sometimes the air gets dirty when a lot of smoke from buses and cars mix with it. Smoke from factories also make the air dirty. Air also gets dirty when we burn garbage or leaves of trees. Dirty air is called polluted air. Polluted air is harmful for us. We may fall ill when we breathe in the polluted air. Okay, children? So these underlined words you have to write in your HW book 3 times. Okay, children? Thank you.